Okay, so I'm sorry about the weird angles, but this was the only way I could do it. So you would have seen all of this in my prep with me because that's in it. So I'm just literally going to pack it. I will tell you what everything is from, but most of it's from Primark and H&M. Anyway, these two tops are from Primark, and then I've got two tops from Primark, and the red one is from H&M. And then it's just a basic vest top in there, and the shoes are from Next. Then these shorts are from somewhere, I don't know, but they go under my skirt. This one's from Topshop, and this one is from Primark. These two tops are from Primark. Whew, is it gonna work? These two shorts are from Primark as well. And then these ones are from H&M. I might just fit everything. Then these are all from Simply Be, which is like quite a good shop. And then this one is new from Primark, which I just brought literally yesterday. Okay, so my clothes managed to actually fit, surprisingly. It's just my shoes. See if we can slide them down the side somehow. I do have an extra side, so I think I might just do it. Those white sandals were from Tesco's and those black ones were from Primark. My bikini is from Next. I'm just going to put that on the top. Actually I'll put it in a bikini bag. Bag is from Primark. I'm just going to use this one, not this one, because I don't need that one. But it's just to put my bikini in there. I like to put it in there. I might have to take another bag with my underwear in it because I don't think my underwear is going to fit. Put my toiletries in here for now, just because I don't really need them out. You know what, actually, everything might actually fit. The only thing I've got to put in here is knickers and underwear, which shouldn't be that hard, so I think I'm alright. Well, let's see, because the truth is revealed by doing it up. If I can't do it up, then I have to get a new... I do have another suitcase, which if I wanted to, I can actually take them both. I don't want to break it. That's all I need to do right now. Yeah, I feel like I might break the suitcase, so... It's just this bit up here. Okay, I've managed to put the majority in it, but I've still got to put my knickers. I'm going to come down here. I've still got to put my knickers, about 3 bras in here, and 2 pairs, 1 pair of shorts, and 2 more tops, and my makeup. I might do it, I might not. This is packed. I do have another suitcase, I mean I can take that one if need to be, but I just don't really need that really big suitcase, you know what I mean? Okay, we're just going to stick with this. I mean, I've managed to fill it to the brim, So let's just hope and pray that the zips don't break and it works. That's what we have to hope and pray.